Heavy rains leave several roadways impassable in St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There was a massive traffic pileup along Orange Street and surrounding areas in St. James as motorists who were trying to make their way through the town were left stranded. Reports are that heavy rains lashed sections of the city late Friday night into early Saturday morning. Scores of motorists who were trying to make their way along the busy road had to seek alternative routes. Those who ignored the warnings ran into problems. Some motorists who were trying to make their way through the town had to seek help as floodwaters that had settled on the road was causing all sorts of mechanical problems to their vehicles. Up to late Saturday evening, there was also reported flooding along St. James Street in the vicinity of the gas station. Sections of Queen's Drive and other areas in the city were also affected, motorists reported. Along with the heavy rainfall, what made the problem worse is that drains in the town were blocked and the water was not running off as quickly as it should have. One female vendor who operates in the area said the large body of water had covered the road which separates the campuses of Cornwall College High School for boys and the Mount Alvernia High School for girls.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Alright, Moby, I wash you again. Now that we have the, what do you call it now? The state of emergency. And I think calm down, nobody not dead. I'm going to see if Christian people go say, because we're wicked, let down here wash you again. Or is it just a weather phenomenon? We more logical thinking people. Can see, but that is persons walking. People who live out Norwood and Paradise and Hendon and Glendevon and them places. They will walk up upper deck and go home because we're in a Cornwall College there, so between Cornwall College and Mount Alvernia. When there's some flood, I say water running probably about 2 foot meter now.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord represented.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.